Hi, my name is Reyhan, and today we're going to talk about carbon dioxide. So, in general, humans need air to breathe in. We exhale the carbon dioxide and we breathe in the air to live.
So as mentioned before, humans get oxygen by inhaling air, and then as a waste product of all of the oxygen activities and the exchange in the bloodstream and cellular respiration, humans need to exhale carbon dioxide. Why do humans need to exhale carbon dioxide, you might ask? Because carbon dioxide imbalance could cause in blood acidity. And if the blood pH is too acidic, then there might be lots of problems that might happen in the human body.
We're going to talk about the carbon dioxide equilibrium in the human body.
So, when CO2 dissolves into our bloodstream, it reacts with H2O inside our blood. This causes it to become H2CO3.
Due to the increasing concentration of CO2 or carbon dioxide, H2CO3 or carbonic acid is increased. They're increased because of the Legitelia's principle of the equilibrium shifting. As you can see, due to the increased amount of CO2, the equilibrium shifts to the side of the carbonic acid. Now, too much carbonic acid might create another reaction which shifts into more hydrogen ions, which is responsible for making the whole blood more acidic, and which means that because of this, blood acidity could be imbalanced and not comfortable for humans to live.
As you can see, too much carbon dioxide for a normal human being could actually kill a person because asphyxiation, nerve damage, and cardiovascular damage could occur.
Now, as you guys have learned from our speakers before, too much carbon dioxide is very unhealthy for the human body. Is that correct?
Indeed.
Yes. That could create severe damage and pain to one's poor soul, just simply because the balance is not correct.
Yes, so as you can see, all in life there has to be balance. Everything has to be balanced. Too much something could actually kill you. Even oranges and broccolis could kill you if you eat too much.
Now, what if that thing that is too much is something that could already harm you in the first place, just like carbon dioxide? This is why too much carbon dioxide is not healthy, and that is why carbon dioxide is a mere waste product that needs to be exhaled, or at least the equilibrium needs to be shifted to the oxygen side, so that you don't get too much carbon dioxide. From this message, we could learn that don't forget to exhale when you breathe.
Because without exhale, you can't live.
Here's an example. Try breathing without exhaling. As you can see, the equilibrium reaction made Ray's body collapse. Come here, come here. As you can see, Ray here collapsed due to lack of equilibrium because the carbon dioxide levels are too much. Let's test it here. According to the waves that came into my ear, it shows that Ray got too much carbon dioxide in his bloodstream, and the blood became too acidic, and he's now collapsed. Rest in peace, my friend. Okay, now let's try if Ray breathes correctly. Okay, now let's see what happens if Ray breathes in a rhythm where he inhales and exhales at the same rate. As you can see, Ray here becomes very happy because the amount of carbon dioxide in his bloodstream is being transported to the lungs, which is then exhaled out the mouth and nose. This means that the levels of oxygen and carbon dioxide must be really balanced.
So in conclusion, we must take good care of our lungs. Don't smoke. So because our lungs is very important for the equilibrium of CO2 inside our bodies. Our lungs take in oxygen and infuse it into our blood, while the CO2 inside our blood is expelled through our lungs and through our nose and mouth.
So from this video, now you guys know that the message is that we should always take care of what we breathe in and breathe out, and make sure that the equilibrium of carbon dioxide and oxygen in our body is balanced.
So we must be careful to not breathe too much CO2 and breathe in enough oxygen so that we can survive.
So, as you can see, equilibrium can also impact in our daily life because the imbalance of our emotions and our thoughts and feelings. This actually shows that if we do not balance our emotions, one side of our emotions will overcome the other side. So we will be more sad than before. Is that right?
Yes, that's right. Now, besides of emotions, equilibrium also needs to be implemented in more things in our daily life. To become transformationary and visionary leaders,
Yes,
we need to make sure that everything that we do in our lives are in balance. We cannot make too much work and too little play. We need to balance work and play, leadership, and being able to listen to others as well. And in that way, we can actually make more transformation from the worst things to better things in our daily lives and can actually become influential leaders in our daily lives. Is that right now?
That's right. For our daily lives, we must find the equilibrium.
Now, thank you for listening to our little presentation teachy video. We hope that you guys will be more balanced people in your lives.
And we hope that this information could affect your life as well as it affects our life.
Yes. And don't forget to breathe in more oxygen than carbon dioxide, as the equilibrium in your human body is something that is very important.
And remember, everything in this world needs balance.
Yes, this is our chemistry dream team. So we are the Chemistry Justice League.